Good morning, Wednesday morning. Again, intervention trade continues. Costco down $3.50, trading $42.70. Retail numbers continue to be squishy. Disney's numbers were terrible. Electronic Arts missed. Banks, this isn't new, but it's no longer in vogue to be a banker because you're not going to be able to get paid the sick money that they did for the last forever. So now that banks are socialized and we're getting towards closer government involvement in being our mom and pop bank, you can no longer be a banker because there's no money. So MBA programs are going to be slowing down as investment bankers go away, and that's where we are there. So yes, the government says bankers can't make more than $500,000 if we're going to give you TARP money. So good luck, folks. Good luck to all those banks out there. We continue to trade down. The banks yesterday hit they were down another $1.50. Traded as low as 26.5 on the banking index. Not a new low, but another new low on the move. Just want to quick pull up the chart here. Rallied a little bit at the end of the day, but we had rallied recently in the last week, 32, 38 on the bad bank, good bank, bad bank, good bank BS that Steve Leisman put out there. Now he's out there again, pumping it up, saying, this is good that bankers aren't going to get paid. Electronic Arts is trading up on bad numbers. There's not a lot of news out there again today. It's going to be somewhat, again, a slow market until we get this intervention talk done, put away, and whatever they decide to do, they do. The free markets are becoming less and less an option right now as the markets are stuck. The pivot is about 829. We're trading above that, trading 835 right now. Have traded as high as 840 here pre-market, so we have pulled back from 840 and a half back here to the 835 area, and now are bouncing off that level. So a very difficult, choppy, slightly upward drifting market the last couple days as we again tested down to 806 yesterday, Monday rather, and now we're back up to 8. Let's say call it 840. So remember again the recent move 800, 798 to 876. That's our new range, and we're right smack in the middle of that. If you say 38 is the halfway spot. So we're sitting here at 35, and again, flip a coin. We could go higher, we could go lower, but until we break out of these ranges, there's not a lot of confirmation to either side. Europe's closing or is up slightly generally this morning, percent and a half overall between the FTSE, CAC, and DAX, the majors, and that's about it. So be careful out there. Again, I would trade them small in a market like this. Stocks, really just no interest here in the stock market as it continues to just chop hands off, and I don't want to play in a market that's directionless. I don't want to short, I don't want to buy, and it's a very difficult market to be a trader in. So we'll stick to the futures, and again, we're showing a flat open here, pivot above the pivot, so your bet to the get-go here is buy the dips unless we get under 825.